So now we want to verify that we can indeed set the data. So let's make a test for that as well. Lots of this is going to be the same as a previous test, and so I'm going to copy and paste that. And instead of having some initial state, we'll just get rid of that. And right from the get-go, we're going to call result current set data with that mock data. But you can't fool me. I know for a fact I'm going to need to use act. So we'll just grab that there. And the reason I know I'm going to use that is because this set data is of course going to trigger a state update, and we want React to flush all side effects after this state update happens, so we have a stable UI to make our assertions on. So let's save that, and we're passing. Awesome. Let's verify that we are testing what we think we're testing. Maybe if this were datas instead, then yeah, that's going to be a mess, of course. So let's do datas is that data. And there we go. Of course, we are now failing. So we are testing what we think we are, and it is giving us the confidence that we're looking for that specific function. Luckily for us, this is actually very, very similar to our next one. And this was so quick, I'll just go ahead and do that one right now as well. And instead of a resolve value, this will be a rejected value here. And we'll call this our mock error. And instead of resolve, this will be rejected. Instead of this as our data, we're going to have our data as null and the error as the mock error. Instead of calling set data, we'll call set error. Instead of error is false, that'll be true, and our success will be false. And that should get us passing. Let's just make sure that we can make that fail. Indeed we can. So we're in a good place with both setting the data and setting the error. So in review, we handled both set data and set error right here by rendering the hook, wrapping our state update inside of act, and calling that function, and then asserting that the output of our hook is correct.